is NDTV. And you're watching NDTV 24/7.
Hello and welcome to Mumbai Live. These are the headlines. From the story of expensive vaccines to a story where there is none, a PIL before Bombay High Court demanding mandatory HIV tests before marriage has snowballed into an ethical debate. In fact, activists say privacy issues apart, such a step will not even be effective in containing the transmission of the killer virus.
Caught in a heated debate, this public interest litigation, filed recently in the Bombay High Court, it demands mandatory HIV tests for every bride and groom before marriage. But activists say this will violate privacy, personal freedom, and even then can't guarantee that the couple will be safe after marriage.
This is the policy of National AIDS Control Organization as well as WHO. That AIDS testing for AIDS should not be made mandatory, as there is a concern of violating human rights, and because the tests are always kept in confidential. So this testing before marriage may not give protection after marriage, because one cannot be sure what will be the behavior of the spouse after the marriage, and hence testing for one time will not be sufficient.
But the petitioners, the Maharashtra Law Graduates Association, say that without a strict law, people will continue to get infected by spouses for no fault of theirs.
If a person is inflicted by HIV/AIDS, he or she should not, the idea behind filing this petition is that he or she should not conceal the fact that before marriage he or she has a venereal disease like this.
Like Meena, 10 years ago, she got the virus from her husband, and when she got pregnant, passed it on to her son.
मेडिकल रिपोर्ट में मुझे मालूम पड़ा कि मैं HIV पॉजिटिव था। फिर बाद में मैंने अपने पति का भी टेस्ट किया तो वो भी पॉजिटिव थे, तो तब मालूम पड़ा कि उसके थ्रू मुझे मिला है करके। मैं नहीं चाहती थी कि उनको तलाक देना, क्योंकि मैं तलाक दे देगी तो तुरंत दूसरे को शादी करेगा।
Amongst these women, 99% of the women have got the infection from their husbands. In that sense, we say that the wives are innocent victims of this infection. But I don't think that premarital mandatory HIV testing is the solution for this.
On one hand, a person living with HIV/AIDS and his right to privacy, his basic human rights. On the other hand, a person who is not HIV positive and his right to life. Even activists are divided as this debate rages on in the Bombay High Court. But one thing is clear, whatever the court decides, it will be a landmark judgment for Maharashtra, one of the highest risk states in India. In Mumbai, Priyanka Bhattacharya for NDTV.